Interactive quizzes are a great way to test knowledge, reinforce learning, and keep participants engaged throughout the lessons. If you're looking for an online quiz generator that enables you to create dynamic, interactive quizzes quickly and effortlessly, then uPresenter comes to aid. In this video, I will show you how to generate interactive quizzes in minutes using uPresenter. uPresenter lets you create quizzes in two ways. AI-powered quiz generation. Just enter a topic, and AI will do the work for you. Manual quiz creation, with 11 different question types for full customization. Before we dive in, you can try uPresenter for free using the link in the description below, or by visiting the website displayed on the screen. Starting by signing up or logging into with your Google account. This is the uPresenter homepage. First, let's talk about the AI-powered quiz generation, a game changer for educators and content creators. Click on the Create with AI button. Enter your topic and notes if needed. In the Content Options section, select Quizzes Only. The generated outline will show the title and number of questions in your quiz. You can add more or delete any question you want. The last step is choosing a desired template for your quiz. Click Generate, and just like that, your quiz is ready. After generating, you can edit questions to make them more personalized. This feature is perfect for educators, trainers, and businesses looking to create quizzes fast while maintaining quality merit. Now, if you prefer full control, uPresenter lets you create interactive quizzes manually with 11 different question types. Multiple choice, multiple response, true-false, short answer, sequence, essay, drop-down slider, matching, hotspot, and labeling question. You can find all the question types in the questions section on the left pane here. All question types are pre-built. You don't need to configure anything more. Let's create a multiple choice question as an example. Enter your question title and answer options. Then click on an option to set it as the correct answer, and you're done. You can even enhance learner engagement by inserting multimedia elements such as images or videos. For image-based questions such as hotspot or labeling ones, uPresenter lets you generate images by AI with different styles, ratio aspects, and models. Simple to add hotspots as the correct answers. And that's how you complete a hotspot question. You want to take your quiz to the next level? Here are some extra features. Select the answer area and navigate to the Questions tab in the Properties pane. Here you can change the point for each question. The total points will be calculated as the condition for the completion or success status in the Scores section. Moreover, instant feedback is now added to questions to guide learners whether their answer is right or wrong. When all things are considered, just publish your quiz and share it with your learners. Don't forget to select this checkbox if you want to collect your learner's identity. If not, they will be anonymous. Lastly, see the report of your learner's performance by clicking on the Report button. This report shows the learner's completion and success status, quiz scores, and the number of slides viewed. You can even export the quiz to an XAPI package, then upload for LMS integration. With just a few clicks, your quiz is ready to be shared with the world. Ready to create your own interactive quizzes? Sign up for uPresenter now and start building engaging quizzes in minutes. Comment below which quiz type do you use the most. See you in the next video.